Hello everybody, it's Ben Wallace from Brunches with Ben. Today I'm going to teach you how to make moist, fluffy cupcakes. First, we need to preheat our oven to 180 degrees and line your cake tins with paper liners. For the ingredients, we will be using 110 grams of softened butter, 2 medium eggs, 110 grams of caster sugar, 110 grams of self-raising flour, and half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. We need the butter soft, so if it's just come out the fridge, place it in the microwave on a low setting. This microwave I brought from Amazon. I've left all products used in the video in the description below for you to have a look at. So to start, place the room temperature butter into a bowl along with the sugar. You will need to mix these ingredients together with a hand whisk until the mixture is thick and combined. Once the mixture is thick, add in your 2 eggs and whisk again on a low speed. The mixture will be slightly runnier now, so it's time to add your vanilla extract and sieve your self-raising flour into the mixture. It's important to sieve the flour to give the mixture a smooth and non-lumpy consistency. Once sieved, give the mixture another whisk on a low setting to avoid flour spilling out the bowl. After whisking in the flour, your consistency will be a lot thicker and shouldn't move in the bowl. Using a spatula, scrape down excess mixture from the sides of the bowl which the electric whisk may have missed. When spooning the mixture into the cake tins, I like to use an ice cream scoop. This allows me to get an even amount of cake mixture into each liner. Also using an ice cream scoop, it makes it much easier to remove the mixture from the spoon. Now place your cupcakes into the preheated 180 degree oven for 15 minutes until golden brown and a skewer inserted into the middle of each cupcake comes out clean. Once ready, allow them to rest and cool down. This should take about 30 minutes. That's how you make moist, fluffy cupcakes that stay great for days. You can ice the cakes with ice and sugar or buttercream. Stay subscribed with Brunches for Ben for more recipes like this.